Namaste Ji, Namaste. Welcome to Courtroom by TLOI and the Observer lecture number 2. Now the news is that the Supreme Court, the cabinet has approved a bill. It has not yet become an act, so it is going to be basically in the next session. This most likely is going to get passed and is most likely going to pop up in your examination as well. So the number of judges is going up from 34 to 38. At present, there are 33 Puene judges, Puisne. What does Puene mean? So Puene means anyone who is not the head. So you have one CJI, that is the chief, and everybody else is a Puene judge. So MHCD 5-year LLB also tends to ask this question is, which of the following is not mentioned in the constitution in terms of judges? Ad hoc, acting, Puene, Puisne. It is not mentioned. This word is not mentioned. So now it will go to 37 Puene judge and one chief justice, most likely from this year, because this usually gets passed. Nobody usually has an objection to it. Alright, now the government said, chaired by PM, cabinet is being chaired, approved the Supreme Court number of judges amendment bill 2006. Let me point the MCQ to you, which seeks to amend the Supreme Court number of judges act 1956. Mubarak ho aapko, MCQ hua hai. So which act is going to get amended? It is not the Constitution of India. No, we do not amend the Constitution of India. Constitution of India is also amended under Article 368 given in Part 20 of the Constitution. How do I know MHCD? How do I know all of this? Explore the history, geography of the channel. You will get to know as to, well, how long we have been doing this. Then you will wonder, ki, why do I not know you in CLAT India IIT? Because I used to teach for these exams till about 21-22 ka time frame, and then basically we moved on to the judiciary exams, and from this year we are restoring our practice area in CLAT and AILET. Alright, so which act gets amended? This is the act to increase the strength of the court by 4. This also can be an MCQ. We can frame how many judges we have increased, 34 to 38. So instead of asking like this, we can also say कितने से बड़े हैं, right? तो at present इस act के approve होने के बाद कितने हो जाएंगे? 38, excluding the CGI, it will be 37. So just be mindful of the framing of the question, right? I'm going to be testing you via MCQs on these topics. So I'll issue you topic-wise tests and basically topic-wise tests and some monthly tests, जो miscellaneous, जो current affair होते हैं. Just watch out. This program is basically going to evolve as we keep on going ahead. Okay, ji. All right. The expenditure on salary. So where is the salary or the expenditure of the Supreme Court judges specifically is given from? The Consolidated Fund of India, not the Consolidated Fund of State. Why? Because ये union के judge है ना, union level पे हैं. They are in Part 5, Chapter 4 of the Constitution, the Union Judiciary. Part 5 stands for the Union. Chapter 4 stands for the Union Judiciary. It extends from Article 124 to somewhere, I believe, till about 147-ish. Then we enter into CAG waters from 148, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Now, another MCQ. When was the last time the strength of the Supreme Court was increased? This was in 2019. Alright. And तब हमने क्या करा था? The strength was increased from 30 to 33. या इसको ये भी कह सकते हैं 31 to 34, because then we include the CGI here. Alright. So excluding the CGI. So this gets very, very dicey in the exam. Just watch out for the framing of the question. Alright. Originally the act had provided for a maximum of 10 judges. Tell me the MCQ. Think. Originally the act ऊपर लिख देगा या तो act का नाम पूछेगा या act के साथ भी कर देंगे, and had provided for maximum of how many judges? 10. Alright. And then which was increased to 13 in 1960 and then 17 in 1977. अभी इसका टेबल बना लेते हैं, कुछ नहीं छूटेगा. Alright. So again, framing is strength by 4. Alrighty, this is done. Now, in which आर्टिकल नंबर याद रखना 124 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया, क्योंकि वहां पे लिखा है, और वहां पे क्या लिखा है अगर आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बैरक खोल के देखेंगे, नॉट मोर देन 7 जजेस आज तक लिखा हुआ है, अंटिल पार्लियामेंट बाय लॉ प्रिस्क्राइब्स अ लार्जर नंबर. नाउ व्हिच इज दैट लॉ? जो हमने एक्ट का नाम पहले लिखा था. आज तक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ऐसे लिखा है क्योंकि एक्चुअली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को आप बार बार अमेंड करने जाएंगे ना, आर्टिकल 368 इज अ वेरी टीडियस प्रोसीजर. सो दे मेड अ लॉ, नाउ दे कीप अमेंडिंग द लॉ. द एक्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में सेम रहता है, मतलब तो बेसिकली कॉन्स्टी बैठ गई टॉप पे, इसके नीचे बन गई एक्ट. तो अब यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ जजेस जो हैं वो यहाँ पे बेसिकली हम अमेंड कर रहे हैं। ठीक है जी, ऑलरेडी लेट्स मूव। The 1950 Act enhanced the number of judges from 7 to 10. Congratulations. Then this number was increased to 13 in 6 to, अच्छा अभी टेबल बनाते हैं। ओके, ये बना लो, साथ में लिख लो। Since 1956 the strength of Supreme Court has been periodically increased. ये लिख लेना। 1960 it increased from 10 to 13. पहले तो it originally in the constitution under article 124 it was 7, then it got increased to 10, then in 1960 it got increased to 13, in 1977 it increased to 17, 1986 it was enhanced from 17 to 25, then from 2008 we went to 25 to 30, then increased from 30 to 33 judges. This is all CJI is excluded. CJI is excluded. अगर CJI include कर दूंगा तो 34 हो जाएगा, सब में +1 हो जाएगा। इस टेबल को ऐसे बना लो, लेकिन कहीं पे लिख लेना एक्सक्लूडिंग दी CJI. ओके, नाउ यू नीड टू बी जनरली अवेयर ऑफ, ये तो हो गया, करंट अफेयर तो हो गया। इस करंट अफेयर से इतने ही प्रश्न बन सकते हैं, आई हैव थॉट इट थ्रू। बट इसके साथ में सुप्रीम कोर्ट की हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी हमें करनी है। हमें लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल ग्रीन जज करना है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट अ CJI करना है, CJI की थोड़ी बहुत लिस्ट करनी है, प्रोमिनेंट CJIs करना है, लॉन्गेस्ट टेन्योर करने, शॉर्टेस्ट टेन्योर करने। दैट विल कवर आउट इन आवर स्टैटिक GK वाला प्रोग्राम under the Observer on YouTube. I'll keep on posting current affairs such as this because this takes क्या बोलते हैं, some amount of actual sitting down and you know studying for a bit. ठीक है जी, बट करना है। अगर आप you know you are enrolled in a coaching somewhere, kindly please cover it out because इसके बिना please नहीं जा सकते पेपर देने। They can ask everything and I'll tell you what, current affairs and static GK is either you break or you make the rank. It is as simple as that. ठीक है जी, wishing you all the very best and please summer vacations के दौरान ये सब कर लेना। लास्ट में ट्यूशन लगाकर और ये स्कूल सिलेबस करिकुलम बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है and kindly please focus on testing yourself. Wishing you all the very best. I see you in the Observer lecture number 3. Let us see what topic pops up. I'm going to post these lectures on Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays on this very channel and हम लोग यहाँ पे बेसिकली I teach for the NLSAT and NLSAT the 3-year LB and judicial services exam, specifically the Delhi Judiciary exam, and now again you know CLAT and AILED. So a lot of content is there. Please follow the playlist. We also teach for UPSC governance basically, but we don't have time to run multiple channels. We are going to be running this via playlists, right? तो जहाँ The Observer दिखे, kindly please follow that series out. Wishing you all the very best. May God bless you. Bye.